Hello, you're reviewing our final presentation for the Strategic Information Design module. We are ANNETTE and Kata from Design Ethnography, NAVID from Product Design, and TEREZA and Ming from Service Design. In this presentation, we'd like to take you through our process, starting with our research and finishing with the final outcome. This presentation is broken into 4 parts: process deck, video, website, and bibliography. The process deck illustrates how our team managed this project using service design methods. The video gives an introduction into what value service design can bring to business, and the website delves deeper into the topic with case studies and frequently asked questions. The process deck illustrates how we strategically organize and analyze the whole project, from the primary research, secondary research, to the evaluation and the final presentation to the client. The timescales show how our group used service design methods to discover, define, develop, and deliver our ideas and concepts during this 20-day project.
Throughout the last 3 weeks, we worked on a project for the experience and service design agency Nile. We went through a process of defining and redefining our ideas to meet the final project goal. We started with the client's brief that asked us to create a simple and clear visual that communicates the value of service design to businesses. This set the basis for our future process. So how could we make sense of it? We began to form initial ideas and concluded that in order to fulfill the brief, 2 questions needed to be answered. What is service design, and what can service design do for business? The difficulty in this was that different people have different definitions. At the very beginning, we dived into desk research to identify and brainstorm key service design and business terms. With this in mind, we tried to find a structure in all the information we found. Moreover, we tried to identify the main areas of interest within both service design and business. Service design is user-centered, whereas business is profit-oriented. And what was the real value of service design for businesses? Could we bring these particular focus areas together to something that service design specifically offers, something that other methods don't? We concluded that the value of service design for business is its ability to discover and understand the user's latent needs. Our decisions on the visual side of the project were the combination of a video that communicates the value of service design for business in a more general way, with an FAQ website answering persona-specific questions in more detail. Further secondary research revealed more detailed aspects of the relationship between service design and business. Digging deeper, it became clear that the customers themselves built the bridge between service design and business. This helped us to explain why and how businesses could and should be empathetic and understand and know about their customers. The ultimate challenge was to create strong visual content that succinctly communicated our message engagingly to business. We are happy to present our final outcome.
So we created a short video to describe some of the ways service design can work with business. What is service design? What if someone said that you could understand what your customers really wanted? That you could understand their wants, their desires, their dreams, even more than they are consciously aware of? Our world is changing. Technology is advancing far beyond our early predictions. Consumer behavior and spending are part of an ever-advancing system. Expectations are high, needs are complex, and the competition is waiting. Knowing this, what could your business achieve? In the late 19th century, Henry Ford noted, "If I'd asked my customers what they wanted, they'd have said a faster horse." Ford understood the latent needs of his customers at that moment in time, while envisaging the future instead of embracing the present. Service design follows a new human-centered approach to uncover the real unspoken needs of the consumer, and therefore identifies new opportunities for future business growth. Your organization may already have people involved in the development of your product or service. Service designers help connect these individuals to areas of the service that aren't necessarily part of their everyday roles and responsibilities. Service design enables you to see through your customer's eyes by involving you, your customers, and your stakeholders in the design process, service design will find new revenue streams while also supporting your ultimate business objectives. For example, a telecommunications company realized that their old paper-based billing system was costing them £26 million a year. Through structured design thinking methods, like the ones used in the service design, it was realized that bills could actually deliver services, shifting them from a cost to a revenue stream. It was projected that the redesign was worth an additional £21 million of revenue. Let service design help innovate your business. To find out more, click the link below. The website is designed to augment the information in the video with more examples, case studies, and frequently asked questions. We felt it was important to give different audiences different pieces of information, as including everything into one video would create an overly complex viewing experience. Thank you, and to view any of the individual components of this presentation, you can do so in the included folder.